Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repost someone's Snapchat story as your story. So here, let's be clear that on Snapchat, you can't directly repost someone else's story to your own unless they've sent you as a snap. But here are the simple ways to do it. So the option 1, if they send you a snap, open the snap that they sent you and then here tap the send or the blue arrow button and choose my story to post it as your story. And then here the option 2, if it's already under story, Snapchat doesn't have a built-in repost story feature. You'll need to screenshot or screen record your video or story with permission. And then upload it to your story from camera roll, then go to memories and select my story. And keep in mind, if you screenshot or record, Snapchat will notify them unless you use an external recorder. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.